Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a large collection of rainbow and shadow high dolls. I absolutely love these dolls. I got the new shadow high. I'm going to open the other box here. This is an absolute gorgeous box setting, and I'm not usually one that goes on about the box art. We have this down, had it in front of our TV, and I was looking at it as I was watching TV, and it just looked like a disco. I mean, it looked like fireworks behind her. I know that the camera's not picking it up. It's a gloomy morning here that we're filming, but I absolutely love her. I have a couple more up here of Chanel, and then I did a hybrid of, let me see, let me pull her down. I did a hybrid of a Blythe doll with a Chanel body. And what I did was I tried to copy Chanel-ish when I made her. But I have a lot of my dolls in boxes. And I know a lot of people say, oh, take them out of the box, take them out of the box. No, I like them in the boxes. And the same people that say take them out of the box, take them out of the box, are the ones that go on eBay and buy old dolls in the box. I do have many out of the box. And if I have something that I'm doing with the doll, I will take it out of the box. But I don't have them all out, as you can see. This is probably my biggest in-box collection, are the rainbow and shadow high dolls. I have several shelves dedicated to my rainbow and shadow high dolls. And amazingly, this is only about, what would you say, Darren, 90% of my collection? Watch your head on the lamp.
Can't even see them from here.
Would you say this is about 90%?
Oh, maybe.
85% of my rainbow high dolls. I do have the Halloween ball. I have a lot of junior high. I have most of the rainbow high dolls. I did stop collecting for a while because they were just coming out way too quick for a while. It was just ridiculous how many were coming out in a month's time. And I started running out of room, quite honestly. I would say I bought well over, I don't know, 80% on clearance. Wouldn't you, Darren?
Oh, yeah.
At least 80%. And this is too deep. And then I have another one. And then I have her out of the box because I found such a good clearance on her. I think we got her for like, let me see if I can pull this out and get a clearance price. Yeah, $25. I got this doll for, and you know, she has 3 outfits and, well, 4 outfits and 4 pairs of shoes, and she's so gorgeous. I love her. I was gonna pull one out and do a character out of her, and I might still, but I haven't yet. Here's another one that's, I have some stacks going on here, kind of a mess. We're redoing everything. We're trying to get a doll room set up and a studio set up, so everything's just kind of everywhere. What I was going to say is,
pesky work keeps getting in the way.
work, real work. I wanted to point out that I got her for $18.75. I'm not going to pass that up in the clearance aisle for a rainbow high doll with 4 outfits, 4 pair of shoes. So let's open the new one. Darren ordered these. I got a cute story. God love my husband. I had wanted these, and every morning I was getting up. I mean, every morning I was getting up and going to Walmart and Amazon looking to see if they had the dolls in. And I sent Carrie at Ink Pads Playpad a note because I know they're getting them too. Carrie and Eli have a really nice collection, beautiful collection of rainbow high dolls, and they used to do reviews together, Carrie and Eli.
We went to Target with them once in,
Yep.
in Massachusetts.
We
and
did.
Shopped for Rainbow Highs.
We did.
One day.
And they used to do reviews together. I wish they would do that again for dolls. Really honest reviews, and I appreciate that. Look how gorgeous she is. That's going to do the same thing in light. Like I said, it's a bad morning here for filming, but I needed to get this film. Is that not gorgeous? Oh, look at Heather Grayson. I said all along, the minute they came out, that these dolls, the grayscale dolls, if you're a collector, you needed this set. The beginning set that went from white to black and had the different grades of gray in between. Even if you don't care for the Rainbow High or Shadow High, it's a wonderful addition to any doll collection to just put them out, you know, black and white. It's just cool. Okay, now it's the end of the video, and I have to find a place for these girls to be displayed because I want their whole bodies seen. I want this, you know, I want them like this. So we
That's
might
a lot
have
of shelf space.
I know. We might. That's why I started saying we might have to wait for shelf space in the, I don't know, studio or bedroom. You know, I've got a bunch down here too. I didn't realize how many I had there, and then there's some back there, and there's some going down the hall. I do have a large collection. All right, rainbow. What is a rainbow song? Let's do, for our October song, I don't have a Halloween song, but let's do Somewhere Over the Rainbow. And what we're doing in October on the Dolls Rescue channel is I mentioned a song in the first line, and then in the comments, put your regular comment up and tell me how beautiful my dolls are and how lucky I am to find them. In the comments, add the next line. Add another comment with the next line to Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and a second comment with lyrics, and subscribe.
Now, how ironic. Rainbow, Somewhere Over the Rainbow for the black and gray Shadow High.
Yep.